YouTube channel Dream Bikes Hub. First of all, what is BMW? Motor and Werke GmbH. What is R18?
R18 the most restrictive of the certificates, allowing films in the category to be shown only in specially licensed cinemas or sold in licensed sex shops. A cruiser full of character, featuring a boxer engine with the highest cubic capacity we have ever built, plus timeless design features. The design and visible technique is mainly based on the 1936 BMW R5.
BMW offers 20 new models in India, with most popular bikes being G310RR, S1000RR and M1000RR. The upcoming bikes of BMW include F900GS, CE04 and CE02. Most expensive BMW bike is M1000RR, which is priced at 4,900,000 rupees. BMW started off as an aircraft manufacturer in the early 20th century. Marking the 50th anniversary of M Performance Division, the 2024 BMW 3.0 CSL is the latest BMW offering, which pays homage to the E9 3.0 CLS model launched in '70s, with a whopping price tag of $750,000 in or 6.2 crore. This is one of the most expensive BMW models ever produced. BMw in China. Founded in May 2003, BMW Brilliance Automotive Ltd BBA is a joint venture between BMW Group and Brilliance Auto Group. Its business operations include R&D, procurement, production, sales, and after-sales services of BMW automobiles in China. Prince of BMW. New Delhi is 10.71 rupees is law. Annual road tax 117. Annual service cost to 50. New price 19,000. Thanks to watching my YouTube channel Dream Bikes Hub. Please subscribe.